Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. If you are a student, this video will be particularly helpful for you because I was also a student and I will be explaining 7 ways through which you can make an income while studying, as you might have some time in your hands and you might want to reduce your student debt. So, the first way is tutoring. So, if you are good in a particular subject which you are studying, for example, economics, you can tutor people that are struggling or people in their first year that might not really have a background in economics, like they might never have studied in high school, they might be getting low grades in the beginning. So you can definitely advertise for that. One of the best places to advertise would be the university groups, like if there is a group specifically for that course, or the freshers group if you are in first year and you are doing really well, you can definitely post in there. Or just the word of mouth, like if someone comes and tells you I'm struggling, you can tell them, hey, I can help you, I can give a proper lesson to you and solve all your queries, but I would need you to pay me. Moving on to the second way, you can help out in the university library, like showing people where to go for the floor they're looking for. For example, you might have many floors, like one might be the silent, one might be the quiet study, one might be the one for the group meetings, so you might be able to tell everyone where to go. Also, where to find the books, like it might be harder for some people than others, and how to book a room for a group meeting. There are many things you can do there. You could also be a residence ambassador at your student accommodation. So the requirement here is that you do stay in student accommodation and you don't stay in a private flat or a flat share. But what would that involve, being a residence ambassador? Well, dealing with any arising issues and usually being a receptionist, maybe even cleaning the area or also for security. Yes, so these are the usual tasks that you might have to deal with, like if there is a noise complaint because someone has an exam the next day or a test, and the flat next to them are having a party because it's someone's birthday or their name day, then you might have to go and tell them to be quiet or to go to a club, for example. Now, moving on to number 4, you could be a student ambassador. Of course, here you have to be chosen, and you will be representing the university to prospective students, people that want to study and are interested to learn some more information, and also their families through the admissions process. Another way, the 5th way, is to take part in student elections, and I have made a specific video about that, giving all the details, so you can go and check it out if that would interest you. The 6th way would be to filling in surveys, and that's something that I've been doing myself while I was a student. So you can go to a website like populuslive.com and you get paid £1 for every 5 minutes. So it's not that bad. It's going to be £12 an hour eventually. And you fill in surveys and you get paid every time you reach £50, and they send it straight to your bank account. But you need to be really careful with your answers. For example, don't tell them that you have a car in the beginning of the survey and then at the end of the survey to tell them that you don't have a car, because then it will not count. The final way, which is what I have been doing myself, is starting a side hustle. If that interests you, go to www.nicolasketos.co.uk, insert your name and email, and watch my free web class where you will learn the 3 secrets my mentors use to generate a consistent income online, and how you can do it too, even if you have no previous experience, qualifications, or no product to sell. If you're a subscriber, I will catch you at the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.